Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of the Shengsha 4x4 Master Kilominx and the 5x5 GigaMinx. Small token of love. Yeah, so this is the 4x4 Kilominx. This is the 5x5 GigaMinx. I've got a nice stand here. First, let's open the Master Kilominx. I've got one set of stickers. In fact, I've got two set of stickers, extra pair of stickers. And this is the four by 4 Kilominx. Turns very well. Let's look at the size difference between the 2x2 Kilominx and the 4x4 Master Kilominx. So I have the 2x2 Kilominx here. So this is the size, it's a little bit bigger than the 2x2 and it's nice. Okay, I move on to the 5x5 GigaMinx. Oh, they've given me only one sticker, one pair of stickers. This is the 5x5 GigaMinx. It's very greasy. Turns well. This is the 3x3 MegaMinx. 1, 2, and 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 layers. When you compare the size difference, slightly bigger and heavy. It's nice. So yeah, I've never solved this before, so let me try and solve it and start a tutorial soon. I've got a small token of love from Cubelelo, celebrating 7 years of Cubelelo. Thank you for your love and support. So yeah, I've got a small gift coupon for 5% off. This coupon is valid till the 31st of July. Thank you so much, Cubelelo. It's nice.